All right, folks, so this bonus footage right here. So we're gonna ask Jerome, what does he like best about working for himself? Like we mentioned at the beginning of the video, we got our contractor license around the same time. About 10 months after he got his contractor license, he went to start doing HVAC work on his own full time. It took me about 2 years. I worked for a company for another 2 years after I got my contractor license. So I pretty much want to ask Jerome, man, what made you take that leap of faith, man, and and just start, just start working on your own?
All right, HVAC people.
And how do you like, working for yourself?
Well, I love it. What made me take the leap of faith is it's nothing like controlling your own time. And I always was that type of person, even though I used to work for somebody else. I couldn't stand when I want to take a vacation and use my vacation days, no matter if it's 7 days a year, 14 days a year. I have to ask permission and let them know why I want to take vacation. You know what I mean? So I never understood that concept right there. And me, as always been a business type mind person, always had that business mind. So that what made me, number one, to go out and get my license. So being independent, controlling your time, controlling your destiny, your pay, your bank account. That what made me want to go on my own.
And going back to vacation, man, because I know you've been to a lot of places. Since you've been out on your, especially since you've been out on your own.
Right,
can you name a couple places that you've been, just far as since you've been working for yourself?
Since I've been working for myself, I've been out the country plenty of times. I've been to Africa, Ghana. I've been a lot of places in Central America, Mexico, Belize, Panama. I can't even name them right now. That's since I've been gone.
Yep. From
working a 9 to 5.
And that's just out the country, because you've been out over the United States too.
All over the United States, you know what I mean? Been visiting a lot of nice places and did a lot of nice things with my family. That's number one priority right there, family. Because you never can get that back. Time and family, you can never get that back. So I know entrepreneur ain't for everybody, but for the ones that have that mindset, take it. Take advantage of it, you know what I mean? Take that leap of faith, you know what I mean? Learn how to network with people, other people like Walter and myself and customers, you know what I mean? Learn business, number one. So, you know what I mean? You won't have to worry about going back to another 9 to 5. So, cause right now I'm not looking to going back to work for another company ever, 9 to 5. If I have to, all right, I would do that. You know what I mean? Put my ego and pride to the side. But as for me going to work with somebody else right now, nah. You know what I mean? Because I set myself up, hopefully, that I won't have to.
All right, HVAC people. So today's video is sponsored by Thrive. If you're looking for someone to build you a good website, get you ranked on Google, no contracts involved, they have over 10 years experience in HVAC, with brands like Samsung, Carrier, ICP, but they're not exclusive to any of those brands. If you want more details, click on the link in the description below. Sign up with Thrive today.
Don't find customers for products. Find products for your customers. When you're ready to start your own business or when you get your contractor license, the main goal is, even if you don't use them, if you're eligible, get your contractor license. And you don't have to be in no rush or anything like that. You never know how the economy is, and your company has to lay you off. So technically, even though you don't want to work for yourself, if you're laid off, at least you have the opportunity to legally go out there and work on your own until you get another job. So like I say, you don't have to be in a rush, or you don't have to have a goal to work for yourself, but you can always have that in your back pocket just in case you need it. So I advise anybody, if you're eligible to get your contractor license, go study for the test and go take the test and get your contractor license. And if you do have a goal to work for yourself, You don't really have to be in no rush. Get your contractor license, and when you ready to go out on your own, go for it. I think Jerome said that it took him 10 months to, you know, go out on his own full time. But his company laid him off. But he had his contractor license, and he never looked back. He's been out his own for about 5 years now. In my situation, it took me 2 years. I didn't get laid off. I put in a 2 weeks notice. When I felt it was time for me to go out on my own, I went out on my own. It's been, it'll be going on 3 years next year. We haven't looked back, you know? And we strategize, you know, to try to stay busy. And we always busy. So, good luck. You know what I'm saying? I advise anybody though, if you are eligible, go ahead and get your contractor license.